up, everybody? My name is Shay. Welcome to my first YouTube video. I couldn't decide what I wanted to film for my first video, so I asked you guys on a poll on Instagram and on Facebook. I just decided to kind of mix the two ideas together, and so we're gonna do a fall essentials video. I know it's not fall yet. We all know it's not fall yet, but I'm ready. I do have some stuff from Bath & Body Works that I went and picked up that I will be sharing with you guys, as well as just some stuff that I've already had and things that I think you should get for fall. And my lip color is actually one of the colors I'm going to be showing you in this fall essentials, so you might want to stick around, check it out. So the first thing we're going to start out with today is some fall lip colors. So my very first favorite is definitely the Kylie Nude lipsticks. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, I definitely was torn between whether or not I wanted to buy some Kylie products, and then about like 6 months to a year ago I decided I'd buy some, and there is another one that is supposed to come with this set, but they're just some really pretty nude colors. So the ones that I have in my hand is Birthday Suit, Naked, and Bare. And they're super cute. Like there's a darker brown, more of a nude, like a lighter brown, and then one that's kind of like a pinky color. Let me hurry and swatch that for you guys. So these are the colors from the Kylie one. As you can tell, they are pretty simple, and no matter what skin tone you have, they all look really cute. I think so, at least. My second favorite is going to be the one that I have on my lips right now, and that is the Ciate London Liquid Velvet. I hope I said that right. I probably didn't. And it just looks like this. See that top one? And this is in the color Pin Up, just so you know. And then another one that's also really similar to this one is the NYX Slip Tease. It looks like this, and this one is in the shade
Low-key contraction? Decontraction? What?
Low-key Decontraction. It's just a little bit more of a pinky tone. It's that one right on top. So this one, if you really like pinks and you're not so sure if you want to kind of move over a little bit into the reds, this is a really good one for you. And then for my bold girls out there that really like bold colors, this is the Elizabeth Mott Color is Bay liquid lipstick. And I'm not lying when I tell you guys that this does not come off. That one right there. And then for those of you who are original and really like lipstick, not liquid lipstick, but the kind that actually comes in the tubes, I have 4 that I want to share with you guys that I think are super freaking cute, especially for fall. So the first one is the NYX Butter Lipstick, and it is in the shade Lifeguard, and it's just a really pretty red. Looks like that. So it's kind of similar to the liquid lipstick one, except it's not quite as red as it. So I think that is super cute. And I'm not lying when I tell you this, the Revlon lipsticks come in the cutest colors for fall. I have gotten so many lipsticks from Revlon, and I wear them all year round. They're probably my favorite ones for fall time, just because they have so much variety in their colors, and their lipsticks are bomb. So definitely check out Revlon. So that second one is Black Cherry. So it's kind of a red and a purple. So pretty, so pretty. I even wear this sometimes transitioning into Thanksgiving too. I think it's a really cute Thanksgiving color. And super affordable. I'm in. The next one that I really love for fall and Thanksgiving time is one called Wine with Everything. And it's that one right there, and it is very similar as well. It's not quite as red as that one. So I don't know. I really like these two. These are my Revlon favorites, and they're my babies. Love Revlon. And then the last one I'm going to show you guys is the L'Oreal Paris one in Everlasting Plum. I think plum colors for fall are so good. Like, let me just show you this. Look at that. Such a pretty purple. I love it because it still has a little bit of those burgundy vibes, but it's not overwhelming. You know what I'm saying? Okay, next we're gonna transition into our eyeshadows. So I have one drugstore and two high-end for you guys, and I'm sure a lot of you probably already have this in your collection. If you don't, I recommend adding it. The high-end ones are a little pricey, but the pigment, the colors, everything is totally worth it. I'm someone who has a hard time spending a lot of money on makeup, which is funny because a lot of people just splurge on makeup, but for me, it has to be something that I know I'm gonna use and something that I know I'm gonna like. And so that's why I tell you guys with ease that these are definitely worth the money. So we will start with the high end. So ignore my palettes, they're a little messy just because it gets a little messy sometimes. Excuse my palette, it gets a little messy sometimes when you're doing your makeup on lives, but this is the Soft Glam by Anastasia. Like cute velvet packaging, that alone gives me fall vibes. Then when you open it, you have a whole bunch of really pretty fall colors. I love the burgundies, the reds, and the golds, and like the browns in this. I just feel like they're kind of a warmer tone, and that gives me way fall vibes, pumpkin spice vibes. And then the second one is the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia. I'm telling you guys, the pigment of these are awesome, and it's some of my favorites. And this one's very similar to the other one, except it does have some pink tones in it too. So these are the two palettes. It just kind of depends on if you want some pinks in it or if you're more towards the fall-y color. I think the Soft Glam is super pretty for fall. Now time for the drugstore. It is really hard trying to find more drugstore eyeshadows that have really good pigment and everything. So NYX is one of my all-time holy grails for fall colors and eyeshadow and everything, basically everything. So this is the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette in warm neutrals, and it looks like this. And one of my viewers, her name's Kat, she sent me this and I am obsessed with it. Thank you so much, beautiful girl. I absolutely adore this. I use it all the time. And I'll show you the colors. See, you still have the same, so you still have some reds, browns, a little bit of an orangey one, some more taupey colors, and then you have some lighter colors for your highlight if that's your cup of tea. Okay, so the first thing I got was a body mist, of course. This is the Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte. It is so good. The next thing I got was this autumn candle, and it is in this cute little candle holder I got for $15.50. The next thing I got is this cute little wall plug-in holder, and then I have one of my scents in there right now. It's actually Marshmallow Fireside. So that is the one that I have in it right now. I got the autumn one, which is my favorite. That's what is burning behind me. And then I also have Sweater Weather. I love this. I also got hot cocoa and cream. Of course, I had to get pumpkin cupcake. And then last but not least, for the Bath & Body Works, I got some hand sanitizer. Sweet cinnamon pumpkin, American apple, warm vanilla sugar. I feel like this one is really good for fall time as well. And then of course I had to get two for Halloween, two of their Halloween scents, and one is Ghoul Friend. And then the last one I got was Vampire Blood. And last but not least, I wanted to show you guys some clothing pieces that I feel like are definitely a staple fall item. So first things first, H&M skinny jeans, okay? I'm not even going to start with this when I tell you that H&M is so overlooked. People go spend tons of money at Pacsun on stuff that they could buy for literally half the price at H&M. So here is one of the pairs of jeans. It's literally just jeans, like there's no holes in it. But they were super cheap, like super cheap and great quality. I have worn these so many times. They fit good for girls that have a booty and have thighs and have legs but have like a smaller waist, which a lot of people can't find that and stuff. That's why people started buying Fashion Nova or they started buying American Eagle. But I'm telling you, H&M is where it's at. So definitely go check out H&M. But if you guys can find a good like long sleeve waffle top, I think that's what they're called. That's what they used to call them. But it looks like this. And it's just a long sleeve, but it is seriously the softest material. I got this at Hollister recently too. They might still have them online. I have a neon green sweater and a gray sweater, and they're super nice. They're super comfy. It says Hollister written on the wrist, and they have pockets, which it's really hard trying to find a sweater that has pockets for when you're wearing leggings with it. So definitely check out Hollister because you can cop from that. Not even kidding. And then next, you really need to get some comfy shorts for lounging around in, because all of us know that this time of year calls for lounging around, snuggling in blankets, watching movies, relaxing. And when we're bumming around the house because it's freezing outside or it's getting colder outside, definitely find some comfy shorts. I got these from Pacsun, and they were over in the Brandy Melville section, except it's not the Brandy brand. Brandy brand, does that make sense? But they're super cute, they're velvety, and I love, love, love them. And then for sure, definitely another statement is going to be some jean jackets. Not necessarily even jean pattern, but if you can find a good black one. Like I got this one at Pacsun like last year. And if you look, it has cute little embellishments on the back. Just a little lace up detail. But super good. Like this would be super cute with either a skirt or some high-waisted pants and maybe like a tube top. Super, super cute. I'm definitely gonna be wearing this a lot this fall. And last but not least, I know everyone's always raving about getting booties and stuff like that for fall time, but if it's kind of warmer where you live, like where I live, please ignore the stickers. I could not get them off for the life of me. Shay's life is great. But if you can find some cute sandals that are brown and gold, like I love these. They give me such fall vibes, but they just have like a little, kind of like a straw string stitch pattern on the side, and they're super cute on. I love them to death. I didn't think that I liked how they look until I actually got a pair, and I love how they look on me. I love how they feel. I feel so sassy every time I wear these. And that concludes today's video. That's pretty much everything I have for you. If you guys like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you've never seen me before and you want to stay tuned and hang out and check out some of my other videos. Comment down below what your favorite thing about fall is, whether it be the food, the clothes, the colors, the leaves, pumpkin spice lattes. Most of my content will be moved over to YouTube from now on. I will still be doing my live videos, just not as regularly, because this is really what I'm focusing on and trying to move my content over. I have a lot of videos coming for you guys, tons of makeup tutorials, tons of clothing hauls, tons of day in my life videos, vlogs, morning routine, night routine, you name it. Whatever you want to see, let me know. I am constantly doing polls asking what you guys want to see, basically. So let me know so that I can make it for you guys.
Happy fall, y'all.
Bye guys.